Hello student, in today's class I'm going to start differentiation now. So far we have discussed about the continuity and differentiability out of the calculus topic. So let us see how the differentiation goes, and very interesting part of the calculus. So as we have discussed, differentiation or the differentiability we know that if a function is differentiable, that means if it shows if the left hand derivative and the right hand derivative exist finitely and equal, so we represent like suppose there is a function, we can say here let y is equal to fx be a function, and we are talking about at x is equal to c, if it is differentiable, is at x is equal to c, we can say fx is differentiable. If it is differentiable at x is equal to c, so definitely we can write limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c upon x minus c, which we used to call derivative by the first principle also in class previous class, and which can further be represented by like f dash c also. If this function is differentiable at c, we will represent this by f dash c also. Similarly, if you will say any function fx is differentiable at x is equal to 1, so you can write it is f dash 1 also. If a function is differentiable at x is equal to 2, you can write it is f dash 2 also. Getting or not? So this is one time differentiation we have done, so we can write 1 dash. At the same time, a function like if y is equal to fx is a function, the differentiation can also be represent like it is dy upon dx, or we can also represent like d upon dx of f of x. So these all are the, we can say these all are the methods of representation of the differentiation. Dy upon dx, d over dx upon dx into f of x, or you may write f dash c, or you may write, we can also write like f dash x if it is one time differentiation. And if the function you have taken, so these all are the generally terms we use in this chapter for one time differentiation. If two time you will do, then it is f double dash x, this is d2y upon dx square. So these are the, this is second order derivative we call this, that we will discuss later on. This is called second order derivative, which we will discuss later on, not now, later on. So first of all we are bothering about the first order derivative, that means we will find f dash x only. So let us see how the topic goes. You are familiar about the algebra of the differentiation, algebra of the differentiability. So I am just recalling your previous knowledge. Algebra of differentiability, we can understand by this, let u and v are two differentiable function. We can say u and v are two differentiable function. Then what is the meaning of the algebra of the differentiability? We can understand means if both the functions are differentiable, so definitely we can write their sum, means u plus v, if you will add them, then obviously their sum will be differentiable. So we can write here now, it is d upon dx u plus v is equal to d upon dx u plus d upon dx v. At the same time, if we are subtracting them, then their difference also, subtraction also will be like we can write d upon dx u minus d upon dx v. And we can also understand this rule. Already we have done many questions based on this. Very important rule. D upon dx of the product of two differentiable function. This rule tells you will write like first function differentiation of the second plus second function differentiation of the first one. This rule is also called Leibniz rule. This rule is also called Leibniz rule, and I think this spell is not correct. Leibniz rule, or we can also call this product rule. You have done many questions based on this, and there is one more important rule that we can discuss here, that is called quotient rule. How we can forget about the quotient rule? So means if u upon v there are two functions, we can find the differentiation like we can write denominator into u dash. Here it is u dash is representing, we can say, the derivative of the function u, and minus u into v dash, this is representing the derivative of the denominator, upon v square. Student, here also I must write like, because u and v we have taken the differentiable function, so I must write u dash and plus v dash, which you can understand I am talking about the derivative of this, because already u and v are representing the derivative of the function, two function. So this we can write like in this form. I hope it is clear. So this is only called the algebra of the differentiation, we call this. And now I'll discuss with you some examples. I'll discuss with you some examples based on the algebra of the differentiability, so that it can be more clear to your mind. I'll take one example based on these all. So let us see one question I am taking which is based on the first rule. Here suppose I am taking, there is a function given, let it is y is equal to sin x plus cos x. Y is equal to sin x plus cos x means we are adding two functions, so we can find from here dy upon dx is equal to d upon dx of the first function plus d upon dx of the second function. You can easily do without any problem. Differentiation of the sin x, that I'll discuss with you in the next class, but although we have done this part in the previous class or the grade, so you can understand from here the differentiation of the sin x, it is cos x, and cos x is minus sin x. So you got dy upon dx is equal to cos x minus sin x. Similarly, we can also discuss based on the second rule. Suppose fx or y is equal to fx, I have taken, it may be suppose x square minus e raised to x, suppose like this. Then dy upon dx we want to find, it will be differentiation of x square, it is 2x, differentiation of e raised to x, it is e raised to x. So this is the answer we got from here, differentiation. One more result we have discussed, the third one, Leibniz rule, product rule. Suppose fx is given, now sin x into cos x. We want to find out the derivative of sin x into cos x. So we can write here now, see, we can also represent like f dash x is equal to, so differentiation of the first, it is cos x multiply by the second into cos x plus differentiation of the second, it is minus sin x multiply by the first into sin x. So we can see the rule there, it is differentiation of the first, here in the rule I'll change little bit, I have written v dash, you may follow this order, it doesn't matter, okay, let it be like this. So here it is cos square x minus sin square x, which you can also write cos 2x further. So I hope it is clear to you. And the one more, the last one is, that is the quiescent rule, very important quiescent rule. I'll discuss definitely one question on the quiescent rule also. So let us see, I am taking one example on the quiescent rule, and this is maybe y is equal to given, it is sin x upon cos x. You want to find what is y dash, these all are the synonyms of the differentiation, y dash, dy upon dx or maybe f dash x, these all are the synonyms. So we can apply the quiescent rule, we will write here it is denominator d upon dx of sin x minus sin x d upon dx of cos x upon square of the denominator. So you can solve with the help of this. You will write definitely it is cos x into cos x minus sin x into minus sin x, and these are the differentiation I am writing by my that knowledge that I have recalled this formula. You will also learn this, you will have to learn these formulas upon cos x square. These all results we have proved in class 11, so those results only I am using here directly. So you can just multiply this and you can write the result here, you can write this result here, we can write here y dash is equal to, this is cos square x and this is plus sin square x and this is what, cos x whole square, which we can write here 1 upon cos square x, which can further be written sec square x, because if you will see this, this is also equal to tan x and the differentiation of the tan x is sec square x. So my dear student, this is the some of the basic concept, just I have recall your knowledge about the differentiation, and at the same time I had discussed means algebra of the differentiability with you, one example. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.